Hi, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy A21S. The screen is shattered, so we're gonna replace it. So the actual screen comes with the body. Okay, so we need to pull out every single component from the phone and put it back to the new one. We don't need that many tools. We just need obviously the heat gun and kind of flat opening tool. This is very handy, it's very thin, and also Phillips screwdriver and double-sided tape. That's all we needed for this moment. But first, what we're going to do, we're going to take out the SIM card tray. That's the first thing. So the SIM tray is out. We're going to apply some heat. The phone is turned off anyway. Now what are you going to do? You're going to remove this panel with this Phillips screwdriver. Remove every single screw that you can see. Alright, so we need to disconnect this cable. First disconnect the battery and then all other secondary cables. This motherboard does have one screw, so take this out before we pull out. And it's easy and simple to pull this out. That's the actual board. And second thing is the battery and then the charging block. Okay, so I'm going to go for the charging block first. Super simple. Now we need to pull out this battery. We're going to try with this first and see how strong it is. Let's use some kinds of PCB cleaner. This one make it much more softer, adhesive, and easily this one will come out. Now we're going to look into the new board and check what is the differences. That is full service pack, 100% genuine one. It comes with the actual body, the housing. Alright, so easily this one came out. Now we need to reassemble it. As you can see, the vibrator and the earpiece speaker already included, so we don't need to worry about anything. We just need to put it back straight away in. Okay, peel this off first. As you can see, the volume button and power button as well included. Good. Into the place. Yeah, that is fine. Good. Still the adhesive strong enough, so we're not going to apply anymore. It's absolutely fine. Disconnect the battery again and the secondary cable. Yeah. We're going to check if this is charging or not. It's charging. Yeah. It's turning on. We're going to leave the keyboard on, so in that way you can find out if the touch is faulty or not, because sometimes if you use the copy on, it's going to tap itself like that. Okay, but this phone seems absolutely fine. Let me go to emergency call, dial 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Absolutely fine. And also charging. The reason I done it, because the actual this flex, it takes both. Okay, from here it goes to the charging, at the same time this one goes to the main board. Okay, so that's the reason you need to double check, because previously I had Samsung Galaxy A01 and the screen was absolutely fine, but it was not charging. So I had a bad experience. That's the reason I always give it a double check. Now I can turn this off and complete the job. It's charging. Yeah, we're gonna check the camera and all other stuff. Yeah, the camera is working fine. Yeah, now we're gonna check if the ear speaker is working or not.
We're doing everything we can to prioritize our most vulnerable customers. Please help yourself on using my EE. Help pages at EE.
That's absolutely fine. Let's spin this off. This is like a brand new Samsung Galaxy A21S. That's how you replace the screen. This is one of the most easiest way to replace the screen, because if you change just the top part, it's highly risky. You need to use the strong adhesive or glue, whatever, and the finishing doesn't come. Okay, in that way it takes little bit of time, but much more easier and less sensitive. So still, if you do have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section, and I hope I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now. Thank you.